In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the JustFab website with ease, perfect for ensuring you have the best online shopping experience possible. Whether you're looking to manage your account or browse the latest fashion trends, understanding the ins and outs of the JustFab website can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. JustFab is easily accessible from most modern browsers. Once your browser is open, you'll want to head over to the JustFab website. Simply type in www.justfab.com into your address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to their homepage where you'll be greeted by the latest fashion finds and deals. Being logged into your account is essential to access more personalized features, so the next step is to sign in. Look towards the top right corner of the home page and you should see a sign in option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These should be the same credentials you used when you first created your JustFab account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a link or prompt to help you recover it. Logging in unlocks a variety of features, including order history, exclusive offers, and personalized recommendations. Once you've successfully signed in, it's time to visit your account settings. In the same top right corner where you found the sign in button, now you'll likely see your profile name or an account icon. This is often depicted as a silhouette of a person or sometimes just your username. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, select My Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, a centralized hub where you can manage all things related to your JustFab profile. Your account dashboard is incredibly useful here. You can update your personal information, review your billing settings, or even check out your past purchases. Navigating this area is particularly helpful for ensuring all your information is up to date so you don't miss out on any alerts or fabulous deals JustFab might have in store for you. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively logged into and accessed your account on the JustFab website. With everything set up, you're all set to explore and enjoy the curated collection JustFab has to offer, making sure your style stays on point. Happy shopping, and don't forget to check out the endless fabulous options available at your fingertips.